To disconnect the sway bar link from the sway bar, I'm using a 16mm wrench, and I believe this is what, 4mm Allen on here to break that loose. Sometimes you can use the power tool and get it off, but once it starts spinning, once the ball starts spinning in the socket, you're going to have some issues. I have the sway bar disconnected, nut placed back on the end. You always want to put nuts and screws and bolts back in place slightly until you're ready to disassemble everything, pull everything down so you don't, it makes it easier when you go to reassemble. You know where the nuts and bolts are. All right, the ones I took, a couple of that I took out of the subframe, I put them in the new subframe.